welcome back. It's Jab Anima back again. Today we're working with creating more geometry. Why would we want to do that? It's going to help us with our materials, it's going to help transform our basic shapes, and it's going to give us smooth surfaces. So let's go to Blender right now. We're here with Mr. Cube. Let's go to edit mode. We can create more geometry by right clicking and clicking on subdivide. We can press Shift and R to redo our subdivide and get even more geometry. But what if we want a little bit more versatility? We can use what's called a loop cut, and we can choose which axis where we want to cut. We can create more cuts by rolling our mouse wheels. But what if what we want to do is we want to move these cuts so that they're equally apart from the middle? So how about we just do one cut, and then we're going to hit Control B to use our bevel. Now we can pull those cuts apart. So let's go over one more thing before we leave, which is remember our insetting. Now we have three faces here, and we can inset, but it's going to inset them as if it's one face. But what if we want to do an inset on each individual face? What we can do is click I twice, and then that's going to allow us to inset each individual face. And that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Catch me on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. See you there.